Here's a really great ceiling fan option. If you're setting up a guest room and want something that feels both cozy and functional, you can do that. Or you can switch it to a brighter, cooler light during the day. It's also fully dimmable, which makes it easy to create a softer, more comfortable atmosphere. The fan itself has 6 different wind speed settings, so you can keep it on low, gentle airflow for sleeping, or turn it up whenever you need more circulation. There's also an app control for your phone, which makes it a little more modern. From there, you can just adjust the lighting from your phone. You're getting good lighting, strong airflow, and easy controls all in one, which totally makes this a practical choice for a guest room.